I'm Mike, the product manager for the Python division at Suburban Manufacturing. Today I'm excited to introduce two new products to our Sidewinder drum heater series. Our 80-degree fixed temp drum heater and our 100-degree fixed temp drum heater. Both of these new Sidewinder drum heaters are designed with a rugged PVC coated fabric, a proprietary heating element, backed with a closed cell foam. The element is strategically placed in the assembly to make sure that we are driving the most amount of efficient heat into the content itself. Along with the robust, rugged fabric, we have a wider strap configuration. We also have 3 straps, making sure that we're able to pull the drum heater nice and tight and snug around the drum itself. Again, a nice snug fit is assuring that the heat from the blanket itself is being driven into the content to be able to maintain the temperatures that are needed for your application.